Hello kids, how are you all? So kids, today we are going to learn about colors first. Let's see what colors are there. There are 12 colors. Now, which color is this? It's a sky blue color. This one is peach color. It's a green color, orange color, brown color, blue color, light green color, pink color, black color, yellow color, red color and violet color. So kids, yesterday we have already learned about missing alphabets A to Z. Today we are going to learn about missing numbers 1 to 10. Are you ready? Shall we start? Now let's start it. Now I'm using here blue color. Right here, what comes before 2? This one is 2. What comes before 2? It's 1. Repeat after me. So 1. Right here, 1. And next number is 2. Now I'm going to use here green color. 2. Trace it like this. 1, 2. What comes after 2? 3. 3. Now I'm using here brown color. Right here 3. Now read it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is a 4. So we need to trace it with orange color. Orange color 4. It's a 4. And what comes after 4? 5. 5. It's a dark green color. 5. Right here 5. Very good. Next is 6. 6. Now trace it with the red color. This one is a 6. Say everyone, number 6. What comes after 6? 7. 7. I'm using here black color. Right here 7. It's a 7. And next number is 8. 8. I'm using here peach color. It's 8. 8. Very good. This one is a 8. And what comes after 8? 9. 9. Violet color. 9. 9. Very good. And next number is 10. 1, 0, 10. Now trace it with sky blue color. 1, 0. 1, 0, 10. Very good. Now let's revise. Blue color 1. Light green color 2. Brown color 3. Orange color 4. Green color 5. Red color 6. Black color 7. Peach color 8. Violet color 9. Sky blue color 10. That's it for today kids. See you in the next class. Bye bye.